talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, a profile photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on profile. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to next here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to companies news. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means subscribed to companies news. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.